Enjoy this very much, real rusty dusty Monique, because if you can't enjoy me at my this, then you can't handle me at my this. Period.
G-L-A-N-O-R-O-U-S, yeah. G-L-A-N-O-R-O-U-S. We flying first class up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change.
Face the camera, girl. Are you ready? Okay. Hey GlitterDolls, welcome back to my channel. I'm giving y'all very much Wizard Kelly vibes right now because I look a hot diggity mess, okay? I have been wearing my natural hair out for almost a couple days, like 5 days, like this entire week almost. And I'm going to wash it and get my braids back in. But as you can tell by the title, today is going to be a hair video. And I am so excited. Hopefully it's not ugly, because if it's ugly, then I don't know. But I am going to be dyeing this hair. Can you? We got company. Okay. I'm going to be dyeing this hair blue. Okay. This is the hair that I wore in my last video, and also if you see my Pride video, this is the same wig. 613 bundles that I ordered off AliExpress. I will link them down below. October will make it a year that I've had these bundles, and they haven't done me wrong, you know. So I'm gonna be dyeing these bundles blue. I have Royal Navy from Kiss Cosmetics, Blue Moonlight, and then I also have like an ocean blue from Adore, just because I thought that this Blue Moonlight wouldn't be enough and I couldn't find another one. So I want this to add dimension to the blue, and then these two are gonna be the base color. Now, I've used these two colors together before and it turned out amazing, but the twist is gonna be that I'm gonna be using this Limelight green and this Cyan blue as highlight colors. And I'm just praying this does not turn out horrible, because I have a makeup look planned with this video. I also have some press-on nails that I want to show you guys how I'm gonna apply them. They came from Femme Fatalons. I hope I'm saying it right. Femme Fatalons, off of TikTok. She found my account and she decided to send me a pair of her nails. They are fire. I will show you guys a closer look when I show you guys how I apply them. But all together, this is going to be hair, nails, and makeup video. But I'm going to split it into 2 pieces, okay? So enjoy this very much, real rusty dusty Monique, because if you can't enjoy me at my this, then you can't handle me at my this. Period. But I'm gonna get right into this video. I'm not gonna be doing much talking because I'm not a professional hair stylist or hair colorist. I'm just gonna do the best that I can and show you guys what I'm doing on this journey. So stay tuned. So to get started, I'm gonna be using this in and out method. I'm not sure of the name of it, I can't remember. But I looked at other tutorials on YouTube, and this is how they were doing basic highlights. So I took a section of the hair, I went 1 finger in and then out, in and then out. So it's sort of like a weaving motion to get out the hair that we want to highlight. Okay, so I had to start all over. As you can see, I did dye a couple of pieces green, but I realized that I should have sectioned out the hair before that. So what I have going on here, I have a few twists which represent the green, and then I have ones that are braided fully down like so, which represent the light blue, and then I have some that are twisted halfway and braided halfway. So those parts are going to be completely royal blue. Okay, so right now I'm just going to go through and I'm going to do the green pieces first. Now the tool I chose to use for the green was a toothbrush, just so I could get as close to the track as possible. But this was obviously a very time-consuming way to do this. So if you have a brush, use a brush. So it's the next day and I have highlighted all of the greens and the different blue pieces that I want to be those colors. As you can see, the hair is very much looking like a construction site right now, but there is order to my madness, I promise. So hopefully this comes out right. Right now I'm gonna go in. I have mixed the Adore Ocean Blue and the Kiss Blue Moonlight together, and I'm just gonna apply those, and then I'm gonna keep the Royal Navy separate so I can just add that as needed where I want it. So after all that slavery and hard work using a toothbrush, I finally found my dye brush, which was hiding in my hair basket, and I'm going to use that to apply the rest of the royal blue on the hair, making sure that I do not touch any of the pieces that are green. Then I'm going to go back to the toothbrush method when I get to the closure so that I can get as close to the roots and the lace without getting any blue dye on it, because a blue scalp is a no. We do not want a blue scalp. So the toothbrush was a really great method to get really close and get each strand of hair without getting the dye on the lace. Here you are getting a closer look at how I apply the dye to the closure without getting it on the lace. And then I'm gonna just take the rest of the leftover dye that I have, mix it all together and rub it on the rest of the hair. Now when I rinsed this hair out, I was so happy with how the color turned out. This is my first time dyeing any hair like this, and the color turned out so bomb. Look at how vibrant that blue and the green is. It's just beautiful. Then I let it dry and then I'm gonna style it. So I styled it, as you can see, and now I'm just waiting for it to dry. Overall, I'm really happy with how the color turned out, although there's not much green on this side. It's like in the underparts of this side, see? But I'm really happy with how this turned out. Really happy. It like surpassed my expectations by like 1,000.
Off camera, I did curl this hair, but you guys will see how that very much backfired on your girl. So, disregard this clip.
Hey, Drop, what we doing? Y'all talking about twerk classics. Yeah. Drop one, the pop shit. Ho shit, ball head, ho shit. Get it, bitch. Ball head, ho shit. Ball head, ho shit.
Hey y'all, what's up? I'm finally back. This video has been filmed over a span of weeks. Please don't come for me, but I'm finally gonna finish it today. It is the 9th. No, it's the 10th. It's September 10th. I know my face is really dry, but we're gonna moisturize right now before I get into this hair. The reason I'm moisturizing now is because I don't want my hands dirty with hair products and stuff, and then I'm gonna moisturize. That just doesn't make sense. So I'm gonna moisturize, I'm gonna apply this wig, and then we're gonna get into the nails for this tutorial that were sent to me by Femme Fatalons. Yeah, so we are gonna get into this wig application. For this wig, I'm only going to be using Got to Be Freeze Spray and the Got to Be Gel Black because I don't want this wig on for an extended amount of time, so I'm just gonna use that to temporarily hold this wig down while I complete this look that has been long awaited. It's been so long since I've been recording a video. My mom's birthday was just like last week, so I was doing a lot with that. We had a little celebration and it was a lot. Anywho, let's get into this wig. It's been curled for like a couple days now, and I don't know how I'm gonna get these curls to be loose, but hey, we'll see. So I'm gonna start off with a layer of this freeze spray. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna apply 2 layers of the freeze spray, 1 layer of this, and my wig should be good to go. So I'm just gonna let this dry.
So as you saw, I'm just gonna go in with the layers of Got to Be Spray and the layer of Got to Be Glue for that temporary hold that we want, and then I'm just gonna flip this wig on and adjust it to the right position because I could not get it in the middle of my head for the life of me, but I finally got it right, and then gonna tie it down and let it set. Me getting excited about how the lace looks without knowing that it's gonna fuck me over real soon. So now that my hair is tied down, we're gonna get into these rusty, dusty, crusty, musty nails of mine, and we're gonna do them with these press-on acrylics. So of course we have the acrylics that came from her, and then she sent this really cute care package, and I had my nail tools on the side just in case. So it came with her business cards, of course, marketing 101. It also came with an alcohol prep pad, and then it came with a nail file, which was really sharp, a dental floss for a removal tool, and then it also came with the application and removal process, a cuticle pusher, and the nail glue. And last but not least, it came with the nails and a buffer. The nails came really set. They didn't budge throughout the packaging. And here I am reading the application process. I'm just going to clean up my regular nails, give myself a basic manicure before I apply these acrylics. So I'm just doing the basics, filing, you know, trimming and making sure that my cuticles are nice and straight before applying the nails. Then I'm gonna just put 2 dots of glue and hold the nail on for 30 seconds. It says 30, but it recommends as long as you can take with as much pressure as you can take on your nail. And I have to say that glue is really strong because those nails felt like a fresh hairdo, okay? But they felt like they weren't going anywhere. They were gonna last through however long I chose to wear them. I just can't wear them for work, so I didn't keep them on that long. Now this wasn't necessarily needed, but I did put my hand in front of the fan for like a good 5 minutes before moving on to the next hand, just so I can make sure nothing was falling off. But like I said, these were very tight, nothing fell off, and they felt very secure. Side by side comparison, I know my hands are ashy, don't mind them, but we gonna get it together in 3, 2, 1, Lego. Period. I have to say that these nails definitely exceeded my expectations for press-ons, and they were very, very much secure and high quality. Now a little ASMR tease for my ASMR peoples. Clearly, y'all can see that those nails weren't going anywhere. Thank you very much. And let the disappointment sink in, because here I am taking out those Shirley Temple curls. Willy Wonka Oompa Loompa curls. And it's just a no. It's a no, it's a no, it's a no.
So guys, I'm not happy with this curl pattern. It's been curled for too long, and the curl pattern is just too tight for my liking. This is not what I expected at all. So I'm trying to figure out a way to fix it. I twisted it. I'm trying to stretch these curls as much as I can. Look how long the hair is, and the curls just like bounced up to here. Like, I don't want that. So I plugged up my flat iron. I'm gonna see if I can work some magic. I twisted it. I'm gonna like press the flat iron on it. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I want a very much looser curl than this. But overall, the hair and the makeup look, I like it. Hopefully I can fix this hair so that I can really like it. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Overall, I am very excited with how this turned out. Although the hair gave me a ton of trouble. It's giving me all blue vibes, the little streaks of green. And yeah,